You can make and receive calls from your ServiceNow web page with Avaya. You don't need a physical phone or a soft phone on the PC. You can make calls and receive calls just using the web browser. And the best thing is that this solution runs on your network. There's nothing in the cloud, including Comstice Avaya Webphone for ServiceNow. Now you can make and receive calls using your existing Avaya phone number directly from any ServiceNow page. No desk phone, no separate phone application needed. You don't even need a VPN. All the communication is fully encrypted. And the best part is that everything runs securely on your own network. With Comstice, you maintain full privacy and control of your data. Nothing is stored in the cloud. When a call arrives, a new interaction is automatically created in ServiceNow. For call center agents, critical information like the case number and the queue details are also delivered with the call, so you can answer and immediately open the right case to assist your customer. If you need to make a call, simply click the phone icon next to any number in ServiceNow. Comstice Webphone dials automatically using Avaya telephony, connecting you in seconds. It's that easy. Seamlessly integrate your Avaya communications with your ServiceNow workflow. Boost productivity, improve customer service, and ensure data privacy with Comstice. Visit comstice.com/Avaya to learn more and request a demo today.